Welcome back, learners. We are starting chapter 12, Electricity and Circuits. As the name itself suggests, in this chapter we will study about electricity, which is very crucial in our day-to-day life. Let's find out how. We will start this chapter by discussing uses of electricity. Look, we use electricity for many purposes to make our task easier. Let me give you some example. We use electricity to operate pumps that lift water from wells or from ground level to rooftop tank. During daytime you are able to see every object around you, but after sunset it's electricity that make it possible to light our homes, roads, offices, markets and factories. This help us to continue work at night. What is the source of electricity? A power station. However, the supply of electricity may fail or it may not be available at some places. Then what will you do? You can use a torch. A torch has a bulb that lights up when it is switched on. Now students, we have seen all the uses of electricity. We will talk about electric cell, that is here. Just have a look on this electric cell on your screen. Electricity to the bulb in a torch is provided by an electric cell. Electric cells are also used in alarm clocks, wristwatches, transistor radios, cameras, and many other devices. You can name some of them. Now have a look on this electric cell. You will notice a small metal cap on the top. Here, this is the metal cap, and you will observe a metal disc at the bottom. Have a careful look at this plus sign and here this minus sign. The metal cap is positive terminal of electric cell. The metal disc is the negative terminal. All electric cells have two terminal, a positive terminal and a negative terminal. An electric cell produces electricity from the chemical stored inside it. And when this chemical is used up, at that time electric cells stop producing electricity. So this was it. Now let's move to the next topic. Students, this is very important. This is a caution. You might have seen such danger sign that has been shown here at some places like poles, electric substations and many other places. It is to warn people that electricity can be dangerous if not handled properly. If you will be careless, definitely you will have severe injuries and sometimes electricity can cause death. Hence, you should never attempt to experiment with electric wires and sockets. A careful attitude will help you and it will keep you safe. So it's very important, keep it in your mind. Now, we will talk about a torch bulb. Here you can see a torch bulb. Look at it carefully. A torch bulb has an outer case of glass that is fixed on a metallic base. This is the metallic base. I'm showing it to you. This is the metallic base and this is the glass case. And here it is the inside view. Students, have a look. You can see the two terminals of bulb. One is at side and one is at bottom. And now look at this thin wire inside it. The thin wire that gives off light is called filament. The filament is fixed to two thick wires that provide support to it. When you switch on and this bulb start glowing, it's the filament that is glowing. You must know it. Okay. Now, students, if sometime you find that the bulb is not glowing, the reason may be that this filament may be broken. Okay, that must be known to you. Now our next topic is a bulb connected to an electric cell. We will find out that how a bulb can be connected to electric cell. Just have a look. This is a cell having two terminals. We have connected wire to the both terminals and this is the bulb and we know that it is also having two terminals and we have connected wire to both terminal. Now we will just attach these two free ends and in this manner this circuit will complete and the bulb will start glowing. Okay. Now here have a look. These are different arrangements of electric cell and bulb. You will find out that in some the bulb is glowing and in some it's not. We will try to find out the possible reasons for that. Now, starting from the very first one, here you can see the bulb is lighting properly because the circuit is complete. We have attached all the things in correct manner. Here you can see the bulb is not glowing. Can you find out the reason? You can. Have a look. This end is free. It has not been connected properly. So that's why bulb is not glowing. In the picture C, you can see this end is not closed. Okay, this end should have attached together. Now, what's the problem with picture D? In picture D, you can see both the wires of bulb has been connected to same terminal. That should not be done. Okay? Again, same mistake in picture E. That's why the bulb is not glowing. Now the last picture is correct because the two terminal of bulb are connected with the other two terminal of the cell. And in this manner, in the first and last picture, bulb is glowing. And this is the correct way to connect it. Now students, we will talk about an electric circuit. Note the arrangement shown here. You can see the two terminal of cell which has been connected with the terminal of bulb. Such an arrangement is an example of electric circuit. The electric circuit provides a complete path for electricity to pass, current to flow between two terminals of electric cell. The bulb glows only when current flows through the circuit. Okay? In an electric circuit, the direction of current is taken from positive terminal to negative terminal. Here you can see these arrows. These arrow represents the direction of current. The current is flowing from the positive terminal towards the negative one. Now, when the terminals of the bulb are connected with the cell by a wire, the current passes through the filament of bulb and this makes the bulb to glow. Sometimes the electric bulb doesn't glow even if it is connected to cell. Then the bulb may be a fused one. An electric bulb may be fused due to many reasons. One reason for bulb to get fused is its filament must have been broken. A break in filament of electric bulb means a break in path of current between terminals of electric cell. Therefore, a fused bulb does not light up as no current passes through the filament. So this is it students. There can be one more possible reason, that the cell which you are using might be a old one and all the chemical inside it might have been used. That's why it's not producing electricity. So there are two possible reasons, and the third possible reason is the wire may be old or broken inside. So by removing these possible reasons, you can make an electric circuit. Now, that's all for today students. We will continue this chapter in upcoming videos. Keep learning, keep asking.